Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zoho subscriptions efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your subscription management and automate your billing processes, this guide will walk you through the setup step by step so you can get started smoothly and confidently. First, head over to the Zoho CRM Plus platform and click on the Sign In button. You can conveniently log in using your Google account if you're already integrated into Google's ecosystem. Select the account you want to use with Zoho Subscriptions and wait for the dashboard to load. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so be patient. Once you're in, you'll see your Zoho Books dashboard. Look for the subscribe button at the top ribbon and click on it. This is where you manage all your billing processes and subscription settings. Next, you'll need to choose your subscription type. Zoho offers both free and paid plans, so think about your business needs and decide whether upgrading to a paid plan is worth it. If you opt for a paid plan, you'll be guided through the payment process. Review the plans carefully and select the one that fits your requirements best. Click Upgrade to complete the payment, and you'll unlock advanced features designed to make managing recurring invoices and subscriptions much easier. Setting up Zoho subscriptions is straightforward, and once it's configured, you'll be able to automate billing, save time, and provide a better experience for your customers. Remember, patience is key while the system loads, and picking the right plan will maximize the benefits for your business. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical Zoho tutorials.